Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia classic espresso machine. Now for this machine we just gave it a tune-up, replacing the very stock and extremely dry gasket that you see right here. This one was extremely hard to remove. It basically broke in many little tiny pieces, as you see right here. It basically disintegrated. It just kinda got really tough and hard to remove in there. As you can see, it doesn't even bend. It's just like hard plastic, like really. This is another gasket, and as you can see, this one bounces, just rubbery. This one not, so it desperately need a new gasket. We had to remove the shower head of the machine, and that thing was really stuck to the machine, to the groove head. There was a lot of scale build up as well, so we replaced that, deep clean everything inside, make sure there's no any scale build up around, and then we descaled the machine as well. We put the scaler in the tank and just run it through the whole machine, make sure that that was out of the way. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out, then we're gonna use the hot water and then the steam. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings. Probably need to tamper a bit stronger to get that perfect crema, but a good shot nonetheless. And now we're gonna test the steam. Once this is a single boiler machine, so it's gonna take a little bit. And also this machine has PID. I think it's ready, so excellent steam coming out of the machine, really good pressure and excellent temperature coming out of it. And there you have it, your coffee. Once again, so thank you so much for following Kanen Coffee. Subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.